Good evening students. Today 12th lesson last paragraph reading was there European Renaissance in the 14th century. What is the meaning of the Renaissance means? Rebirth. Means from the beliefs they can make a new ideology, new thought, criticize the old belief. Okay, that is called a Renaissance. Now let us know how the concept of the Renaissance. Can we see this period making a short break in the past rebirth idea of the Greek and Roman tradition. Roman ideology in the Greek language, the new ideas are coming up. Was the early period, which one is the 12th, 13th centuries, the time of darkness because of no ideology. So, what are the churches saying? That is the blindly belief. Whatever the priest says, that is the truth. No one not condemned it. No one not think otherwise. So recent writers like Peter Book of England have suggested that the book audit was exaggerate the sharp difference between the period and the one that preceded it by the term of using Renaissance, which implies that Greek and Roman civilization were reborn at this time. Again, the Italian language in Italy, new ideology, what are the old one methods from the Greek and Roman civilizations are rebirth here. And that scholars of the artists of this period substitute the pre-Christian view of the Christian one. The both arguments were exaggerated. What are the old Christian methodology and the new ideology of the Christianity, both are different and one to another arguments. The scholars in the earlier centuries has been familiar with the Greek and Roman cultures. At the same time, and the religious continued a very important part of the people life. The people life is also a major crucial part they played. So to construct the Renaissance period of the dynamism and artistic creativity, the Middle Age, the period of the gloomy and the lack of development over simplifications. Totally, the simplification of the printing of books after the civilization is simplified. And many elements associated with the Renaissance Italy can be traced back to the 12th and 13th centuries. As suggested by some of the historians that 19th century in France, there had been similar literary and astrology revolutions. So you can observe the literacy and what are the architects which are there onwards, in the 12th and 13th century onwards, it is increasing the ideology of the human rights are rising. The cultural changes of Europe at this time was not shaped by the classical civilization of Roman Greek, but in the European culture you can see it is not developed as like as Italy. The archaeological and the literacy recovery of the Roman culture did not create a great advantage of the civilization in Europe countries. But technologies and skills in Asia moved from the far ahead what the Greek and Roman had known. What are the European part is backward? We can compare them with the Asian part, such as India, China. They are thinking and their what are the scientific ideology is more and more. Much more of the world has become the connected. Now new techniques, the navigation have enabled the people to sail much further than the better possible earlier. Earlier only we can observe such as a compass and what are the some of law, little bit of the telescope. These only they can use it. After that we can observe the maps, the greatest helping for the navigators. They can find the sea routes, the much which one is the better technology to create help them to find the new inventions methods. Much more of the world has become the connected the techniques and navigation of the enabled the people to sail much further than had been possible earlier. The expansion of the Islamism and the Mongol conquest had linked Asia and the North Africa with Europe. These not only politically but in terms of the trade and the learning of the skills. One side it is Mongolian Islamism. This side what are the arithmetic methods or improvement from these one Islamisms. From part of the Mongolism conquest, they are made to trade China Silk Road ways. They can make a creation. Byzantine Kingdom is also established the expansion of the Christian Islamism. What are the Prophet Muhammad says there? the ideology, their views are expanded. They need to make to expand that this religion. So, however, the Europeans learned not just from the Greek and Roman, from the India, Arabia, Iran, Central Asia, and from China. These debates were not knowledgeable for a long time because when the historical period started to be written, actually before the printing machine invention before, just orally the knowledge is shared. After the when the Bibles, what the universities are find out onwards, we can understand written their ideology, their views, and the stress on with the Europe-centered viewpoint. An important change that had happened in this period was gradually private and the public spheres of the life began to some of the separated. When I come to the modern period, public life, which was related with the public, or the leaders, or traditional professionals, or noblists, these are. The same is separate of the private life. No one not interference of the personal ideas. The public space means the area of the government and the religious. The private space included that the family and personal religion. These individually had a private as well as the public role. He was not a simple member of the one of the three orders. He was also a person who is own right. An artist was just a member of the glade. You can observe that most part of artists are group of only they are gathered make name and family. You know him for himself, but there also you can observe Michelangelo and the Leonardo da Vinci, such a character greatest one. They want to get the name of him from the own, not make it in the glide industries. They means Gumpuga. In the 18th century, these scenes, the sense of the individual word expressed in a political term, in the belief that all individuals had equal political rights. So another development was a different European started to have their separate sense of the identity and based on the language. Europe, the early united part of the Roman Empire, later by Latin and Christianity. Now dissolving into the nation states, which are united by common languages, we can observe it from the part. Now see the navigators, how they can travel and the greatest personality persons. Now see the navigators from the Portugal, or the Vasco da Gama and the Columbus, how he find out the West Indies, which one known as by himself, it is India, but after the Americo Vespucci, you can understand that is not India, it is a new land of that one that is called in the name of the Americo Vespucci, America the name derived, such one is again the greatest world navigator, Magellan, how can you see the part of southern tip of the South America onwards to entering into the Pacific Ocean from the Malaysia, Philippines onwards, you can see there the navigator again come to their motherland. So these are the greatest sea routes are found out there and make the link up with the one part continent to another part continent. This is the international seaway routeways also the greeting help of the next navigators. Okay, thoroughly observe this part and read thoroughly. Thank you.